Hello everybody, welcome back to Cannonball Cottage. Today we're going to do chicken stuffed with cream cheese and wrapped in bacon. We have some butter and some olive oil just heating up at the moment, and what we do is we start this chicken in the pan, and then it's finished off in the oven. It takes about 15 minutes in the oven at 180 degrees. So here we have a chicken breast that I've already butterflied. I've got some Philadelphia, just a spoonful, and I'm going to season it with a little bit of cayenne pepper. You can leave that out should you wish to, and also we've got some smoked paprika to enhance the flavour of the cheese, a little bit of pepper on the chicken, and a little bit of salt, but not too much salt because you've got to remember the bacon can sometimes be a little bit on the salty side. So then what we do is roll the chicken back up like so, and then we've got this streaky bacon here, and we're gonna cover the chicken with the bacon and to enclose the parcel, and basically that's it. Just need to make sure as the bacon goes all underneath, and then what we do is put it into the pan to seal it, especially this way first. This is the side that you'll, and there you go, straight into the pan, and you can hear it sizzling away there, sealing and colouring that bacon. Put the lid on the fillet, sink into the water, I mean the spoon into the water and into the sink. So now that we're sealing away, there you go, and then turn it over to start the browning process. Then, as I said, it takes 15 minutes at 108 degrees. But always check the temperature just to make sure that it's well above 75 degrees Celsius, and I think it's about 165, 170 Fahrenheit. Anything over 75 degrees you're good to go, and it's safe. But you need to take care when you're cooking chicken. And there it goes. So what I'm about to do now is I'm going to throw that into the oven to let it finish off. Sometimes the bacon can actually come off the chicken, so I advise you sometimes to use a cocktail stick just to keep it in place. I've actually got one here that's already been in the oven, and I'll dish this up just show you what the finished chicken looks like. There it is. I hope you can see that from there. I'll just put that cloth on top of that because it's hot. And as you can see, some of the cheese has actually come out of the chicken, so it's basically making its own sauce. And there you have Cotswold chicken stuffed with cream cheese and wrapped in bacon. I'll cut into it, and let's hope there's some cheese still in there. I hope that all of the cheese hasn't actually come out. And there you go, you can see that there's some cheese. Oh look, there you go, look. And you can see the cayenne pepper and the smoked paprika. I suppose I'll have to give it the obligatory taste. See what it comes out like. Excuse me a second. It smells wonderful. And the chicken is moist. You get the full flavours of the chicken, the smoked paprika and the cayenne pepper. It's not too hot, it's just giving it a little bit of a flavour. It isn't spicy. And of course the smoked bacon, smoked streaky bacon to finish it off. It's absolutely lovely. Well, I hope you try this at home. Leave a comment so that I can get back to you if there's any queries. Give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to our channel, please. Thanks very much for watching. See you again soon.